Well, Latin cuisine right now is hot. It's one of the trendiest cuisines in the world, not only for the consumer, but for chefs, for students that want to learn. Here we're talking about 23, 24 Latin American countries that they can learn a little bit of each, the best of each, and apply that to a menu that not necessarily has to be Latin America.
It's unique, and the best way of getting to know it is by immersing yourself. The more ingredients you know, the more techniques you know, the more techniques that you have in your pocket, the better you'll be prepared to face the challenges of modern day cuisine.
The visiting chefs actually enlighten us toward what we want to do in our future. They are really inspiring.
They're super creative, just want to help you. They really want to see you get as good at their cuisine as you possibly can.
What connects all of them, from whatever country they are, is that they love to cook and they want to teach people like us.
The amount of knowledge that I've gained from starting and to where I am now, it's ridiculous.
I feel that from the moment I came here, I was here. The moment I'm going to leave, I'm going to be up here.
San Antonio is a great city, good people, very friendly. The CIA campuses in the Pearl district, it's amazing.
And you also have a wide range of cuisines that are being executed, from the street food to the markets to the casual restaurants to the contemporary fine dining. Very different approaches to food, but there's a connection there. The more you know about the Latin culture and Latin American techniques and cuisines, the more you get into it, the more you fall in love with it.